Hey, what's going on, fam? I just wanted to come on real quick and just give a shout out to my girl, Coach M. Yesterday, I did a webinar talking about looking at your analytics so that you can grow your business even better, right? Take your business even further based on the data that you see. Also, what I suggest that you do is that you hire a coach. And you know what? When you hire a coach, you don't have to spend $1 million to hire a coach. So I'm a part of the Go Be Great Sisterhood, and part of what we get is coaching. We get group coaching, and we get strategies to help us take our business to the next level. So Coach M is a business strategist. So for only $10 a month, we get to sit at the feet of a business strategist. So I decided I wanted to take it a step further and pay for some individual coaching. So what she did was she took a look at what it is that I'm doing monthly, daily. She looked at my DMO. She looked at my social media platform. She did like a little audit, and she said, okay, this is what I want you to do. And what she asked me to do wasn't a whole lot. It was just small little tweaks. And that's what I shared yesterday, that sometimes you just have to do small little things and then you'll notice something big happens. So what happened was I did the little tweaks that she suggested, and guess what? I saw results, I would say, within a few days. Even she noticed. She was like, wow, look at this. And it's nothing like giving a student a task and then they go out and do it. So let me tell you something. If you are not part of the Go Be Great Sisterhood, you want to be a part of it just for that. It's only $10 a month. Not only will you get that, you will get a sisterhood camaraderie. You'll get support. You'll get some hand holding. So if you want to know more about the Go Be Great Sisterhood, comment GBG. And what I'll do is send over a link so you can check it out. It's only $10. Come hang out with us. We are faith-filled sisters who just come together, support, lift each other up, and just encourage and be in a support of one another. That's basically what we do. And we meet every morning. Well, not every morning. We meet Monday through Wednesday. And while we're in our meeting, Coach M is just pouring into us. So again, thank you so much, Coach M, for all that you do and the examples that you share. You don't tell us to do anything that you're not doing, and I really appreciate that. So if you want to know more about GBG, comment GBG, and I got you.